Hello, I'm Abyud and welcome to my certification video on Google Slides Advanced. So, our topic was a science fair project. Imagine that you have a science fair in your school and you have to create this Google slide presentation on underwater creatures and coral reef. Let me just show you my presentation. So, this is the presentation that I have done. Science fair project by Abyud. So, choose one. This is for marine life, this is for coral reef, and this is for an exit. I'm going to click on this. What are marine animals? Marine life or sea life or ocean life is the plants, animals and other organisms that live in salt water of the sea or ocean or the blackish water of the coastal estuaries. To learn more, we have given a hyperlink which will lead us to another web page. Yeah. Okay. Next slide. And I have given a few fun facts on marine life. Some some type of nuddy branch are solar powered and use sunlight to produce energy. Octopods have 3 yards. Sea horses are the only animal where male gives birth. Whales make the loudest noise underwater with 188 decibel, and their visual can travel up to 500 miles. And here's a short video. You won't be able to hear it because it's not the upgraded version. Then I click here to go back to the main. So I'm going to show you about coral reef. Coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Reefs are also formed by colonies of po- wait, polyps held together by calcium carbonate. And to learn more, I've given another hyperlink here. Coral reef. Okay. Then again a few fun facts on coral reef. Corals are not plants, however, they rely on photosynthesis to survive. Known as the rainforest of the sea, coral reefs cover only 1% of the ocean but are home to almost 25% of all known marine species. Coral reefs are naturally colorful because of the algae which lives inside the coral. Now again this is another video and then back to main menu and then here's an exit option and then it will ask, are you sure you wanna exit? If I click on no, I'll come back to the main menu. If I click on yes, a thank you slide. Okay, so let's see. Create a Google slide presentation with minimum 10 slides. I've already shown you that with exactly 10 slides. In the first slide, show 3 options in slides. One underwater creature, second coral reef and third exit. So I've got one for marine life, one for coral reef and one for an exit. On selecting the first option, which it should show the slides with information on water creatures, I've shown you that. Selecting the second option, it should show your slides with information on coral reef. The content should be presented with images, videos if available, and very well formatted. So I've put all images and videos as you can see. A few images with a couple of videos. At the end, it can redirect to the first slide from which the student can select another option. So I've shown you that back to main menu. If he selects the exit option, you should see the thank you slide I've shown you. Share the slide presentation with one of your friends. So I'm going to show you how to share it. So I click on the share button here, save, and then I click on an email address. Let it be to some email ID. I can add a note here and then I can send. But for now, I'm gonna cancel this. You can even get a shareable link and then send. You can just copy link and then give the email ID and then send it. Features that are to be used. Applying theme or templates. So I have applied a theme here. This is a theme that I imported from Microsoft PowerPoint. Add headers and footers in the master slide. So it's an header and then footer. Applying formatting to the content. So I've added formatting here. I have changed the font and font size, font color, and font type. I've add images, shapes, videos, and links. So I've add images, videos, shapes, and links. I've also added links from one slide to the other slide. Transition and animation. I showed you while presenting it. Okay, there's some mistake here. Okay, so I've added animation and transition here, as you can see, and then share picture, which I showed you. So that's it. Hope you like my video.